Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily make a Chime account if you are under 18. So unfortunately, there's really no way that you can sign up to a Chime account if you are under 18 years old. But worry not, because you can still sign up. If we check the Chime's blog on a new tab, we can see here that if you are under 18, you're going to need a co-owner. And how does that work? If we read this post, it says here that minors often require a co-owner to open an account. So if you're under 18, you're going to need a legal guardian to help you complete your application. Similar to a joint account, you'll need your co-owner to share their full legal name, social security number, identity documents, and contact information. So basically, you're going to need someone on the right age, may it be your parent or your guardian, that is going to sign up for you. But you can also have an access to the account that they're going to create. It's just that it is their identity and details that is going to be signed up on Chime. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!